Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at elemental analysis and then modern tools for analysing chemicals. Finally we'll summarise.
So elemental analysis is the process of working out what a particular compound or molecule is made of. We often in this process want to find the empirical formulae, which you learnt about last year, from information about the composition of the chemicals. So we'd start off by being told the mass of a particular element within the compound, and we use these masses to calculate the amount of moles present, first of all, by dividing it by the atomic mass of each species. So to carry out this calculation, starting out with carbon, we note that we have 0.241 grams of the carbon present, and we know that each mole of carbon weighs 12 grams, so we divide by 12.0 grams per mole. This is going to give us the number of moles per carbon, and if we put this through a calculator, it comes out as 0.020 moles of the carbon. Now we can do the same calculation for hydrogen, and we're told we have 0.040 grams of hydrogen in our compound. We divide this by the mass per mole, which is 1.0 grams per mole, and this is going to give us the number of moles of hydrogen present, and because we're just dividing by 1, that means that we also have 0.040 moles of the hydrogen. Finally, we're going to carry out the same process with the oxygen, so we're going to divide 0.245 grams by the mass of the oxygen per mole, so that's 16.0 grams per mole. And if we put that through our calculator, we get an answer of 0.015 moles of the oxygen. So once we have the number of moles present, we then want to create a ratio of these moles so we can link the amount of carbon compared to hydrogen compared to oxygen. So the way we get these ratio of moles is by dividing each mole value by the smallest amount of moles present. So if we look at our example here, we see that the smallest amount of moles present is the oxygen. We only have 0.015 moles of the oxygen compared to 0.020 of the carbon and twice that of the hydrogen. So we take each of these values and we divide by 0.015, divide the hydrogen by 0.015, and even though it's obvious, we divide the oxygen by 0.015. So because we're dividing the oxygen by itself, this is going to form 1 in the ratio. So effectively, we're comparing how many moles we have of the other two.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the SnapRevise smiley face here. Join me today, and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.